In this video, I will show you how to flash any Google Pixel without unlocking the bootloader. In case if your phone's stuck on logo or you just simply want to update it manually, this guide will be helpful. I am using Google Pixel 6a in this video, which is perfectly working, but for this guide, I will reflash this phone with locked bootloader. First of all, let me show you if its bootloader is locked. Device's bootloader is locked but can be unlocked by a Fastboot command, so I am turning off OEM unlocking to make sure it won't be able to unlock during flash. Turn off the phone, or if your phone is stuck on the logo, then press and hold both volume buttons plus power button and wait until it turns off. Make sure data cable is connected. Once screen goes black, hold volume down button and insert cable if you haven't already. Now we are in fast boot mode, and here you can see the bootloader is locked. Now we will identify our device's build name. Open Platform Tools, folder, and type CMD in the search bar. Now type Fastboot devices to check if we have proper connectivity. Now use this command, fastboot get var all. It will extract your phone's full details. Here we will find the product name. As you can see, mine is Blue Jay. Now on your phone, go to recovery mode. Use volume keys and choose recovery and then press power button. In recovery mode, if you see this error logo, then press power and volume UP button together. Welcome to recovery mode. Here choose Apply Update from ADB and press Power button. Phone is in Android Sideload mode now. Now open browser and go to Google OTA Images download page. You can find all the useful links and step-by-step guide on gsm6.com. In this article, you will find Platform Tools link and OTA Images page link. I have downloaded Platform Tools already, as you can see on my desktop. Navigate more to find OTA Images link. Click on it. Here, you can find your product name. Or copy product name and then press Ctrl plus F button. You will find a search bar and paste product name. We have found 3 results. Click on arrows to find correct one. Here you can see the list of all the OTA update packages. Choose the latest OTA package and then click on LINK. I have downloaded the OTA already, so I am skipping it. It's better to rename file to update.zip to avoid any errors. Open Platform Tools again and type this command, ADB Sideload space, and then drag and drop downloaded zip file, and then hit enter. Now just wait and watch. It will take some time to transfer update package, and then it will install it automatically. I forgot to mention before, you must use the compatible USB drivers to avoid any errors. You can download correct drivers from the link in descriptions, or you can go to gsm6.com and find Android USB drivers article. ADB Sideload flashing has completed. I did install this update before creating this tutorial for practicing, so it didn't change anything on my phone. Keep in mind that the update should always be the higher version than your current one. If there's not any higher version available, then you can try to update on beta or wait for the next update. If you are stuck at somewhere and want some help, then join our free community forum.gsm6.com. Post your issues with screenshot, so it would be easy to understand and figure out the solution. Let's teach and learn mobile software together. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you again.